Good morning, everybody. It's Nick with Smokey Bees Natural. I hope this video finds you healthy and safe. Everybody's stuck in this quarantine mess, so no adventures out in the woods this weekend, but today I guess we'll do a bunch of beehive inspections. A lot of you may know I do beekeeping, and that's pretty much why I started this channel, but it's kind of reverted towards the hiking stuff. But anyway, we're going to check on some hives, see how they're doing, see if they're ready to do some splits, maybe make some more hives, and hopefully see if they're ready to make some honey coming soon. So come along and see what we can get into. Smoking. Seeing lots of pollen coming in right now, so that's a good sign. All different sorts of colors. Here's a sneak peek of what's going on inside. All sorts of bees in here, so they're looking awfully healthy. Check out all the beautiful pollen in there. All sorts of different colors. It's beautiful. Here's a full frame of brood. I don't know if you can see it, but in those dark holes you can see some eggs in there. And on this side you can see brood and a bunch of pollen. This right here is all the pollen, and all this dark stuff here, that is brood that's capped and ready to hot hatch. So this hive's gonna be booming soon. I was hoping to see the queen on this one, but if you look really close in those cells, you might see what looks like grains of rice. Those are eggs. And on this side, you look in them, I hope you can see it, the little larvas. Those are babies that have hatched and are going through the larva stage. Alright, all done with that one. I hope you can see my face. This is what I call my fussy hive. Usually when I get into it, I'm going to get stung half the time on this one, but seemed to be pretty okay. I saw a couple possible swarm cells being made, so hopefully soon they'll be making some new queens and we can split this one and make some more hives out of it. The top section is mostly honey that I had stored over the winter just in case for them to get through winter if they needed it. But all in all, they're very, very healthy, and they're gonna make some honey later. I can't wait. Alright, we're my friends Amy and Marty's. Let's check on their hives and see how they're doing. You can tell the ladies have been building comb on the inside of their lid. Definitely means there's a nectar flow of some sort. I have to clean up this mess and give them a little more space. That hive's doing pretty healthy. Didn't see the queen. I was kind of hoping to see the queen so I could show you. I got one more hive, maybe I'll find her. This one looks like she might need some food soon. I think she's starting to fill up most of her box with brood, so maybe another week I'll come and put some other honey supers that I have that are in storage to help feed her. So on to the next one. As I wait for the smoke to calm them down, this hive, I thought I saw possible swarm cells starting last week, so kind of crossed my fingers. Brought some equipment to do a split if I needed to, but we'll see how it goes. This stuff right here, that's honey. And if you can see down at the bottom, that shiny stuff, that's fresh nectar. Alright, I found the queen. Hoping you can see that, but right there is our queen. She is big and beautiful. All right, girl, let's get you back in there. Woo, baby, look at all that. She's going to town on this frame. She's building below it. Those big giant ones, those are drone cells, and those are the males. All these bees you see here, the little tiny ones, those are females. Right, let's see if I can get to it. That one right there is a male, real big and fat. He's the one that fertilizes the queen. And they're going to town on this one, so real healthy colony. You can see this one right here, kind of looks like a peanut getting ready to hang down. That's a supersedure cell, and it's got an egg in there, so they might be planning on swarming soon, so I'll be watching that one. Alright, both of these hives are pretty healthy. This first one here is super strong, so I might have to actually come back sometime this week and put some old stored honey supers on there. She's got, I'd probably say 80% of that thing full of brood and cap brood, all sorts of different stages of new bees, so I might have to give them extra food and then keep an eye on her. She might be ready to swarm, so that one and the first one out by the house, those two I'll probably split first and make new colonies. So awesome. Well, that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. The bees are super healthy. They're flying everywhere, bringing in all kinds of pollen and spring nectar. So if you want to see more of these videos, let me know. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring those trails and support your local beekeeper. Thank you.